The VNN Foot Portable Wheelchair Ramp delivers reliable accessibility through premium aluminum construction featuring non-slip surface protection and impressive 600 to 800 pound weight capacity accommodating diverse mobility devices and users. This remarkably portable ramp measures 24 inches length by 29.2 inches width by 2 inches height when fully unfolded, perfectly proportioned for modest step heights and doorway thresholds enabling seamless wheelchair and scooter transitions. The innovative folding mechanism collapses to incredibly compact dimensions enabling convenient carrying throughout automobiles, homes, and travel scenarios without requiring dedicated storage space. The non-slip aluminum surface combines durability with exceptional safety characteristics preventing mobility device slippage during transitions regardless of weather conditions or surface moisture. We share by links in description box. The integrated carrying handle design functions similarly to convenient suitcase handle enabling effortless one-handed transportation throughout diverse environments and terrains. The straightforward setup requires merely positioning ramp and deploying included safety pins ensuring rapid accessibility whenever needed. The durable lightweight aluminum construction provides exceptional strength-to-weight ratio enabling substantial load capacity while maintaining exceptional portability. The weather-resistant construction withstands diverse climatic conditions including rain, snow, and temperature extremes without degradation or functional compromise. The comprehensive safety features including locking pins and anti-slip surface ensure confident operation throughout daily mobility challenges. The exceptional versatility accommodates stairs, doorways, curbs, porches, and diverse elevation transitions throughout residential and commercial environments. The customer reviews highlighting impressive portability, ease of use, and reliable performance demonstrate consistent satisfaction across diverse accessibility applications. The outstanding value combines essential accessibility functionality, impressive portability, durable construction, and reasonable pricing, establishing this ramp as exceptional choice for wheelchair users seeking mobile accessibility solutions.